A busy professional sits at a cluttered desk, overwhelmed. Emails ping, LinkedIn notifications flash, browser tabs multiply. Deadlines loom. The pressure to respond grows intense. She glances at her inbox. Hundreds of unread messages. Her phone vibrates. Another urgent LinkedIn message. She sighs, wishing for more hours in the day. Suddenly, a colleague mentions Dorin AI on AppSumo. Curiosity piqued, she searches for Dorin AI online. A sleek interface promises effortless AI-powered writing assistance. She clicks Install. The Dorin browser extension loads instantly. Her email interface transforms. Dorin's intelligent summarizer appears. She selects a long email. Dorin generates a concise summary. She smiles, amazed at the time saved already. A reply suggestion pops up, tailored to the conversation. She sends the perfect response with a single click. Next, she opens LinkedIn. Dorin's messaging tool activates. Automated personalized comments and replies appear instantly. Her engagement skyrockets, connections respond enthusiastically. She switches to her browser. Research tasks await. Dorin summarizes web articles and documents in seconds. She breezes through information, saving hours each day. Her workflow feels seamless, productivity reaches new heights. Dorin's unified chat interface offers access to top AI models. She compares AI responses, choosing the best for each task. Professional communication becomes effortless and intelligent. She opens Outlook. Dorin integrates smoothly. Reply Generator suggests smart, context-aware email responses. She handles complex business conversations with ease. Her calendar clears, stress fades into confidence. Colleagues notice her rapid, thoughtful replies. She shares Dorin AI's AppSumo deal with her team. Everyone installs Dorin, workflow efficiency multiplies. The office atmosphere shifts. More collaboration, less burnout. Dorin's intuitive interface empowers even tech-shy users. She automates repetitive replies across multiple platforms. Business communication becomes streamlined and consistent. Her LinkedIn network expands, engagement rates soar. Dorin's AI models adapt to her unique writing style. She feels in control, no longer buried by messages. Research tasks that once took hours now finish in minutes. Dorin's summarization tool saves up to 90% of her time. She confidently tackles new projects, knowing Dorin supports her. Her professional reputation grows. Clients praise her responsiveness. Dorin's automation frees her to focus on creative work. She reflects on the transformation, stress replaced by satisfaction. Her inbox is organized, LinkedIn buzzing, browser tabs managed. Dorin's AI-powered tools become her secret weapon. She recommends Dorin AI to fellow professionals online. Positive reviews flood in. Dorin's popularity surges. She explores Dorin's advanced features, custom prompts, chat integrations. Workflow automation feels limitless, tailored to her needs. She joins a community of Dorin users sharing tips. Productivity hacks spread, everyone saves time, achieves more. Dorin's seamless integration means no learning curve. She sets goals, confident in her new AI assistant. Her team celebrates record-breaking productivity milestones. Dorin's all-in-one AI generator proves indispensable. She enjoys more free time, less digital fatigue. Her career advances, she's known for efficiency and insight. Dorin's AppSumo deal makes premium AI tools accessible. She reflects, Dorin AI changed her professional life. No more endless typing, no more missed opportunities. Her story inspires others to embrace AI-powered productivity. She imagines what's next. Dorin keeps innovating. The future of work feels smarter, faster, more connected. She smiles, grateful for Dorin's effortless assistance. A final glance at her organized inbox. Peace of mind. She turns to the camera, ready to share her secret. Ready to boost your productivity? Try Dorin AI today. Discover the best Dorin AI deal now exclusively on AppSumo.